Good afternoon, everyone. We, students of Index Department of Physiotherapy and Paramedical Sciences, Malvanchal University, I, Swapnil Dhargaonkar.
I, Divyani Chauhan.
I, Karan Gupte.
We are going to present PRT technique for hamstring muscle.
Before starting with the PRT practical, let's see what position release technique actually is.
PRT is the indirect technique which places body into comfort position and introduces a tender point to identify and motion lesion. This technique is used in all plane and motion. It positions the body to enhance tissue function and release tension by including little discomfort, allowing spontaneous release of tense and dysfunction at state at tissue.
Hamstring is a group of muscles which present at the posterior region of the thigh. This group contains three muscles: semitendinosus, semimembranosus, and biceps femoris. This hamstring muscle are originated from the ischial tuberosity and attach over tibia and fibula. Hamstring are innervated by sciatic nerve is divided into tibial and common peroneal nerve. The muscle action of hamstring are flexion of the knee joint and extension of the hip joint. This muscle play a very important role in gait cycle, primarily during swing phase like walking and running. When this muscle goes on strenuous activity or overexertion, for example, long distance running or heavy gym workout, trigger point can be developed which cause discomfort and pain at the knee joint. Trigger point is a hyperirritable spot which arises due to continuous contraction of the muscle without proper relaxation.
So for assessing the hamstring muscle, the PRT technique goes as: first, let's assess the hamstring muscles and look for the tender points along the muscle bed. For example, I find a taut band over here, so I will apply an ischemic compression for 90 seconds. And the force of ischemic compression will depend upon the patient's tolerance. So once I apply the ischemic compression, then I will flex the knee. Upon flexing the knee, I will facilitate the lengthening and shortening of the tender point along with the knee flexion and knee extension. Repeat this procedure for 3 to 5 times, and this is the PRT technique for hamstring muscles. Thank you.